Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching the NM Lifestyle. Let's get started with this video, that is the pull-ups video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how to do pull-ups, how to do chin-ups, and how to train your back amazingly without giving much effort. So let's get started with this video. First of all, I know that a lot of people here are new. I need to tell you that why I have started this channel and who am I. My name is Neeraj Wakiza and you're watching the NM Lifestyle. This is just made out of passion. I've been into fitness from my 9th standard, and fitness doesn't mean that I have all those six-pack abs. I'm not the guy who has the perfect core body, okay? So don't judge this channel as just only the fitness channel. This is a lifestyle channel. I'm here for motivation. I'm here for life. I'm here to tell you what life really is. If you really want something, you'll have to work for it. Okay? So before I go into my motivation zone, let's get started with this video. And a lot of people here are new, so welcome to the channel. And I must tell you that a lot of things are going to change and a lot of new things are going to emerge. So stay tuned to the channel and don't leave. Okay, don't leave without hitting a like. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, there are beginners, and about beginners, I'm gonna tell you this thing is that beginners don't know how to do a pull-up. Pull-up is really hard for them. Chin-ups are easy, okay, I understand. Chin-ups can be easy for some people and can't be easy for some people. I totally understand the thing. So first of all, when you're going to start your pull-ups, you need to be in the perfect position. So while you're actually beginning to start your pull-ups for the first time, you need to understand that you will need a lot of strength while doing that thing, because that is really tough for you. Because pull-ups are really tough. A lot of guys get demotivated just because they can't really reach the top of the pull-ups and they can't reach the peak of the. I want you guys to understand that doing the half reps is the best option you can do while you're doing the beginning, while you're doing the start of your pull-ups. Because see, if you're a new one, if you're trying to do things which are new to your body needs to adapt. Okay, so first start doing half rep. Okay, go for the half reps. Try doing a lot while doing the half reps, because half reps are really easy and you kids can do that. So just try going half reps. When you're comfortable with doing half reps, try going to the full rep and holding on. Holding on will make you a bit more stronger while doing the pull. That's what planning you need while doing the pull-ups. Okay, so find a pull-up bar, start doing, and if you're the beginner, start doing half reps. And then after that, what you got to do is try holding on to the full rep position and then slowly come down and again try that thing. And while doing that thing, you will feel a lot more strength than the previous reps, just because you have started giving your full potential towards your full pull-ups, that is the full reps of the pull-ups. If you're trying to do pull-ups to gain more strength, I would suggest you guys to try doing chin-ups first and then pull-ups, because chin-ups will give enough activation to your muscles so that you can do pull-ups. I will give you all those genuine advices you will ever get. And see, this is my camera. You are the person watching this, okay? And I don't want anybody to get hurt, to get harmed by any single thing of mine. My motto of this channel is to share my knowledge to people and not to harm or not to get financially stable by using this platform. Nothing like that. That's the different part of the story, just because it's going to take a lot of time when I get started earning. So that doesn't matter at this time. So I want you guys to understand that I'm giving all of this content in just a short thing in just a short video, just to not bore you guys, and try, and I want to try that you should get benefited with whatever I am giving to you. Okay, so please do understand this thing and support me if you can. Like, if you can share the videos to people, please do share it. If you can like you seriously can like, so please do hit the like button when you watch the video, because that makes me feel that you guys are actually interested in things. Okay, it makes me feel that you are really enjoying the content, you are actually getting knowledge out of it. A lot of people have been trying pull-ups, and I don't want you to fail, or I don't want you to demotivate yourself just by thinking you can't do it. Just do it. You can do it, I know that. So why waste your time sitting here? Go hit the pull-up bar and tell me in the comment section if you can do it or not. I'm here for more fitness motivation, okay? So stay tuned to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, do share it to other people and help them out. I'm gonna be experimenting a lot with my channel. So I'm new to making vlogs, but I will try getting better. And if you guys like it, please do support it. And your support is all I need, okay? So thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you soon in the next video. I upload videos like these every Monday and Friday. Thank you for all your love and support on my previous videos. I'm really happy on it. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.